Okay folks, welcome to the Meadowbank 64 Denvale Gardens in Kennoway. This is an amazing 4-bedroom, 2-reception detached bungalow on a really good sized plot. This could be the perfect family home. It's even got a double garage out the side right there as well, and we're going to talk about that more when we get to the rear of the property. One of the big advantages as well, back garden, south facing, sitting in the sun all day long. You've got decking, you've got a patio, and you've got a really good sized garden. It will be the perfect for a family. Also, if you've got pets, right next door to Kennoway Den. If you've got cats, they'll love it over there. If you've got dogs, it's great for taking them out for a walk as well. And you're only going to come in this area of Denvale Gardens if you live here, more than likely, or if you're visiting someone here. Let me flip the camera around, take you on the tour and talk all about it. Here we are right here. So, monoblock driveway, plenty of street parking for several cars there. As I said, it goes into that double garage to the rear. But look at the size of this property. This is a real good size, and it's on a real good sized plot. I've got a funny feeling it's one of the biggest plots in the area. And as we go in the front here, as we walk down, going to look at the bedroom accommodation first when we go in. Watch out, see if we've got any wildlife out the back garden as well. Possibly the peacock, or we might have the squirrels running about. So as we come in, nice welcoming hallway as we come in. One thing this property has got, it's got plenty of storage. Got a cupboard to the side there. We're going to go into the kitchen later on, but we're going to look at the bedroom accommodation first. So across to my left hand side, good sized double bedroom, currently utilised as a home office. And then the next one next door as well, we can see in here, similar theme, and also the one over to here. Now that bed looks like a super king. So that gives you a perspective of the size of the room and the depth. And then the great thing as well, you've got wall-to-wall mirror wardrobes behind here. And even better in the master ensuite bedroom, look at the size of these wardrobes. If clothes is your thing, you've got plenty of places to store them. And then as I said, it looks at the back garden here. See if we can see the squirrels? Yeah, here we go. Let's zoom in. Loads of wildlife out here. There they are right there. I could sit and watch that all day long. We have squirrels where we are. It's funny. And they play with the cats as well. That's strange, eh? But the great thing is you've got a peacock here as well. Apparently it comes into the garden, and lots of other wildlife. But if you've got cats, you've got dogs, it's great for them over there for walks. And out there as well, it's nice and secure for them as well to have their own space outside. And then off into the side here, we've got the ensuite bathroom. It's a nice ensuite bathroom. You can see that spa-style bath. You've also got a shower as the main shower room, so that's perfect as well. So best of both worlds. If you like a bath or you like a shower, you've got one of each here. Storage, again, as I said, plenty of storage in this cupboard. Also, partially floored attic as well for storage. And then we go off into our shower room. So good sized shower room, you can see that in terms of the cubicle itself. Thermostatic shower overhead. You've got your WC and your sink behind the door there. And then across into the kitchen. So one thing I love about this kitchen is its potential, as well as the fact that this is quite deceptive, because off to the side here, through that doorway as we just point there, is more or less another kitchen, which is the laundry just now. So it's a big, big space. Now in here, space for a freestanding fridge freezer if you want. You've got your oven, your hob and extractor, got space for a dishwasher, but you've also got this in here as well. So space for a freestanding American style fridge freezer, tumble dryer over in the corner, washing machine under the counter, but this is effectively the same. This is bigger than my first flat in terms of the kitchen size. So, and this is just the laundry. So another preparation area actually, if you want. Overall in here. Now 2 reception rooms. Let's go into the living room and I'll take you into the living room, into the dining room. I'll tell you about what potential you could do if you want to open plan that kitchen all the way throughout. So real good sized living room, access through the double doors as you see. We're just gone through and you've got that window to the front. And this is at the end. And we've got that archway going into the dining room. Let's look at this from a different angle. See a real good size. A lot of depth in this room. And then it goes through into here. Now, stud wall onto the kitchen. So potentially if you really wanted to open that right up and have a huge dining kitchen here, that could be the perfect thing for you. And then open plan as well to the living room if you wanted. Like that floor, really nice, really lovely. And then you've got double doors going out to your decking and into the garden, the patio. So you can see greenhouse over there. If you're green fingered, that's maybe the thing that you want. But the decking is really good in terms of size. Get a dining table and chairs out there, no bother. And as it's south facing, sun comes up there and it goes down over there. Perfect. I could actually hear the peacock in the woods there over the back. But you see the size of the plot, it goes all the way down to the bottom at the fence. And then there's a great area, as I said, for dining, sitting in the sun if that's what you want to do. And then also a patio area as well if you want. So you've got the best of everything. And then, as I said, you've got off to the side here, you've got the double garage. Drying area there as well. And you can see the sheer size of this. And it goes all the way down to the bottom to the fencing. One of the things I noticed about this, very much privacy, high fence over there. And then if you come back to here, there's a nice high fence over there as well. So there's a lot of privacy here. Big size, isn't it? Could do something, a wee den for the kids down there. Maybe their own play hut or something like that. That'd be fantastic. Why did I not have this when I was younger? Great, isn't it? But a real good size in terms of the property itself. It's often I'll stay there and I'll say I can get the whole house in that shot, but I actually have to start there and go all the way along because of the sheer size of it. Let's just recap then before we finish off. Proximity to everything. You've got the train station, spring of 2024, going down at Cameron Brigg, so you can easily drive down to there to the park and ride. If you want to go to Edinburgh via the train, or you want to go back to Dundee, or onto Aberdeen. So you've got access to all these via the train route. You've also got great local amenities in the town centre. So you've got all the shops in there, so you can get something there. Or if you want main shopping facilities, you can just pop down to Leven, to Sainsbury's, to Home Bargains, to B&Q if you're needing DIY stuff as well. And then the beach is all there as well. So you've got the best of everything on your doorstep here. Local primary school, fantastic. Local amenities, as I said, really good village life here. Very good community here. Good community feel, I know that anyway. And then great for dog walking if you're wanting to do that. If you're wanting run routes and you're wanting mountain bike routes and you're wanting cycle routes, this is the place to be, because I run cycle and mountain bike here as well. There's more details on this post if you want to know anything. If you want to see the photograph and descriptions, you can click on the link above or below. If you need to contact us, get a message direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.